Samsung will soon report a Galaxy S9 and a Galaxy S9 Plus, yet that doesn't mean the organization needs clients to quit buying its current cell phones. That being stated, after a rush of Galaxy-related arrangements that have been accessible recently, Samsung now has another offer to purchasers of its top-of-the-line telephones. The organization is giving without-end Gear IconX 2018 wellness headphones, regularly estimated at $199.99, for nothing. To get yourself a free combine of Gear IconX earbuds, you can purchase any of the accompanying Samsung telephones, either opened, or on a carrier, Galaxy Note 8, Galaxy S8, Galaxy S8 Plus, or Galaxy S8 Active. This arrangement is accessible until March 1st, just by means of the Shop Samsung app and on Samsung's legitimate US site. See the source interface underneath.